at the condo, getting faded for the weekend. Rolling big dough with my girl in the deep end. In the two-door, riding around, yeah, we speeding. Every day weekend, I ain't never leaving. Now I'm next up, getting paper with my best friends. I'm a fess up, I'm the best, nothing less than. Shawty, what's up? Come on, ride in the S-Class. Backwards in my ride, and a bottle in my left hand. Rockstar shit, I feel like Ozzy. Pull up to the telly, smoking gas in the lobby. Drop top Mozzie, no can't nobody stop me.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Gang Fam Squad, what is up? We're pulling a late one tonight, boys. Earlier today, I found out that my GTR has a steering wheel lock and it's brand new. So, you know, L #1 for 2019. But my side skirts came today. We're gonna take the snowy fuck here, aka my 240 SX, and we're gonna fit the side skirts. This will complete the JDM body kit. It's currently 11 right now. We are gonna stay up a little bit tonight, knock this kid out at Kurt's house, and see how it looks. So stick around, hang out with us. Welcome to the channel if you're new, and let's get going. Oh, by the way, I already biffed it once today, so ice everywhere, Ohio. What a place to live. We're fine. Everything's fine. Oh, whoa, shit. That was almost 2 today. You see what I do for you guys? Freezing conditions. Whatever for the content, I guess.
Clothes, damn, chain on skateboard P, skateboard PV, my OG. Whole city waiting on me. Fuck boy hate on me like it's they only JOB. You owe respect, yeah, pay your fee. I changed the game up like the last level, got beat as PIG.
Okay, so we're test fitting the side skirts now. The fit seems really good. We're mocking up everything where we want it. These are probably gonna be the easiest thing out of the whole kit to mount because there's literally 2 screws on each side. Right there and right there. There's 2 on the other side, so when you get this where we want it, tape it up, do something, and that will do something for the door as well because it does come through like so. We have to make sure that's clear. It does ride the pillar a little bit, so we'll figure out what to do with that, but it opens and closes quite well, and this honestly was the final piece that this car was missing. So we're gonna mock up this side and I'll show you guys how it looks when we're all done.
Nigga kinda poppin'. I've been buying Louis, I've been shopping. Gotta get it, ooh, yeah, no option. KY run me back, KY run me back. Swisher on the track, Swisher on the track. Tokyo that crack, Tokyo that crack. Baby run it back, baby run it back. I got a rest today, she got a bag today. Didn't even feel some weight, you let that shit say.
Okay, so we have the front half of the side skirt mounted. With little trouble with the hardware. Some things did not line up as perfect as they could have. Still not bad. The kit is starting to flow finally. We are going to do the back now and then we'll see what it looks like when it's mounted. Okay, so the front is fairly fitted. Still a little bit of work to do on that. Nothing major. That's pretty much set up. Rail is good, rail is good, rail is good. Now we are gonna mount the back and everything fits okay, door clears fine, so we'll see like how it goes. Butter. How am I missing? There.
Styrofoam cups, big blunts with my bitch. Pull a babe down
rode in a fast whip. Haters hating hard, cause my steeds drip. It's okay to hate.
Okay, so we have one back there holding the back end, and that shit is not moving whatsoever. All this right here, there's a little gap. All this needs to be like 3M filled in. There's nothing we can really do about that. I'm not drilling into the panel. And again, same thing, 3M right there, not a big deal. But all this has to come out for paint anyways, but it is mounted pretty solid. Like, this shit ain't moving. Shit ain't moving, dog. So, she's all mounted up. Like, I understand there's small gaps and stuff like that. The 3M and whatever else, like that shit isn't going anywhere. And there's no pressure here. I'm pushing this so lightly. They go in place. Door opens and closes, no problem. Goes right with the body line. So we're gonna fit the other side and then maybe do some snow drifting.
That'd be sick, bro.
Maybe. Even a good Kurt.
Got a breaker in.
Even a good Kurt this week. Okay, the Liddy committee is back in session. Take a seat. So we're bolted up here. We got 2 on the front fender well. We got 2 tapped in the back. Besides that, right there, but again, same thing, literally no pressure on it. Just goes right in. So we'll 3M that, that will stick. 3M that, that will stick as well. But it's winter time and we have to take these off anyway, so it's a waste. But as of kit wise, the shit looks pretty damn good. The kit is finally complete. This is definitely what it was missing. This car is filthy. Oh, you guys wanna see some shit? I was cleaning off my iced out window and it took a part of my banner with it. So, you know, rip to that. Hardest banner like ever. And I'm just gonna have the vinyl shop print me out a new G because I'm cheap as shit. And it's going right there. So I'm really tired, but Kurt fucking made a great discovery. I like never do before and afters for whatever reason, but literally, Kurt made the greatest point ever. No side skirt, stock boy, ugly. Big Cloud, Instagram famous, fat JDM side skirt. Okay, for monetized purposes, let's make this quick. The kit is done. Since Kurt's been such a good boy and helped me put this whole body kit in, we're gonna do a little bit of snow sliding. Hopefully, don't hit any poles, pedestrians, or people, which is also pedestrians. So I will see you guys probably when we get arrested.
They are in the living room. Harriet opens the desktop, closes it. Ozzy scratches his head. Harriet opens the big bottom drawer, closes it. Ozzy scratches his head. Whatever she's looking for, it isn't in there.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
Goodness sake.
inside the buffet?
No, not yet. Might just be in there.
How was the drug sesh?
Oh, sick, bro.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Have a good night.
Later, bro. Okay, guys, the 240 is back. Sadly, not where it belongs, but I have no more room in my driveway. It's 2 a.m. We're calling it quits for this one. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the KBD GP1 body kit. It is finally all done. You can get this kit right around $1,000. I think it's like $950 or something shipped. So there it is. Let me know what you guys think. We're wrapping it up here. Now all the focus is going to go back on the GTR. Once that gets fixed, be back on the 240 wheels, get it painted, hot boy levels. Maybe take it a little street drifting. This snow shit's easy, anybody could do it. Maybe take it out in the rain or something, but I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please sub to the channel if you wouldn't mind. I'm trying to get it to 3K, then 10K. Trying to get it going. I know it's dark as hell, can't see me. Almost slipped again, third time this video. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, like always. And, you know, Gang Fam Squad, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Although my heart may be weak, it's not alone. It's grown with each new experience, and it's found a home with all the friends I've made. I've become part of their heart just as they've become a part of mine. And if they think of me now and then, if they don't forget me, then our hearts will be one. I don't need a weapon.
Yeah.
My friends are my power.